Drainage problems are among the most common issues with Brandt dishwashers, accounting for 35 to 40% of all service calls. Understanding your dishwasher's drainage system is the first step to solving these problems. The Brandt dishwasher drainage system consists of 5 core components that work together to remove wastewater from your appliance. The drain pump removes wastewater from the tub. The drain hose connects your dishwasher to the household plumbing system. The filter assembly traps food particles and debris to prevent clogs. If your dishwasher connects to a garbage disposal, this connection point is critical for proper drainage. The air gap prevents contaminated water from flowing back into your dishwasher. Now, let's identify the common signs that indicate your Brandt dishwasher has a drainage problem. The most obvious sign is standing water remaining in the bottom of your dishwasher after a cycle. You may also notice slow drainage, unusual gurgling sounds, or unpleasant odors coming from the unit. Modern Brandt dishwashers display specific error codes when drainage problems occur. The most common are E15, E22, and E24, which all indicate various drainage system issues. When you suspect a drainage problem, performing an initial assessment will help you identify the specific issue and determine the best course of action. Start by checking how much standing water remains in your dishwasher. Note any error codes on the display panel. Run a test cycle to observe how quickly water drains, and listen carefully for any unusual sounds from the drain pump. By understanding these fundamental components, recognizing problem indicators, and performing a proper initial assessment, you'll be well equipped to troubleshoot your Brandt dishwasher's drainage issues effectively. The first and most important step in troubleshooting drainage issues is proper filter system maintenance. This simple procedure can resolve most drainage problems. Start by removing the bottom dish rack to access the filter assembly. The filter is typically located at the bottom of the dishwasher tub and appears as a cylindrical or circular component. Carefully unscrew and lift out the filter assembly. Rinse it thoroughly under hot water using a soft brush to remove all food particles and debris. This cleaning should be done every 2 to 4 weeks for optimal performance. Next, we need to inspect the drain hose system. This component is crucial for proper water evacuation and is often the source of drainage problems. Check the drain hose for 3 common issues: kinks or bends that restrict water flow, clogs from accumulated food particles, and improper installation height. The hose should have a proper loop height between 20 and 24 inches. If your dishwasher is connected to a garbage disposal, this connection requires special attention. Many drainage problems stem from disposal-related issues. Finally, if the previous steps haven't resolved the issue, the problem may be with the drain pump itself. This component requires careful diagnosis and often professional attention. Listen carefully for unusual sounds during the drain cycle. Grinding, humming, or rattling noises often indicate pump problems. If you hear these sounds, or if drainage fails despite clean filters and clear hoses, professional service may be required. Remember, regular maintenance is key to preventing drainage issues. Clean your filters every 2 to 4 weeks, inspect hoses quarterly, and address problems promptly. This proactive approach can save you from costly repairs and extend your dishwasher's lifespan.